Expansions unlock deeper fields. After data loads, the panel populates with all available expansions detected from the first result. The expression panel controls what nested data the Confluence API returns. By default, you get basic page fields, ID, title, type, status, and links. Some expansions have children. Enabling history reveals history.last updated and history.created by as nested options. Clear all removes every expansion at once and resets to the default lightweight response. In the Columns tab, click Add New Column. Enter a label that becomes the column header readers, C, and the field path for the data you want. When data first loads with no columns, 4 basic fields auto-populate as a starting point: content ID, title, type, and status. Use the Explore button in the center panel to find exact field paths. Every available path appears flat, no click nesting. The copy icon and paste directly into your column's field path input. No manual typing, no path errors. Drag columns by their grip handle to reorder. A ghost clone follows your cursor and the list auto-scrolls near edges. Trash icon deletes instantly. The column count badge updates live. Every column has a block type controlling how data renders. Basic is plain text, perfect for IDs, types, and statuses. Text block adds rich formatting: bold, italic, underline, strike through, inline code, subscript, superscript, a color picker, and heading levels H1 through H4. Link block makes a field clickable. Enter the URL field path and optionally a separate path for the visible label. Use content_links.webui for Confluence page links. Collections handles array fields, labels, contributors, ancestors, joining items with your chosen separator. Regex extracts patterns from field values. Write a custom regex or use a built-in preset for all links or outgoing links.
Right block type for the right data. Makes your reports readable and actionable. Next, choosing your report layout and building charts.